及待咁試啦。咁我就將會用呢啲又短又長，跟住練習下啦。好緊張，因為第一次試。但係 let's do this. I really want to try. So 呢邊唔啱，應該係呢邊 black。咁咧佢有個咁樣嘅頭啦，掃上去個眼睫毛度。其實係咪應該夾少少先？唔理啦，試咗先啦。黐落啦，跟住等佢乾啦。I had to show you guys this first time trying. Okay, it's tacky. 少少黐黐地啦，咁可以用呢個白色呢個。線咁啦，唔可以見到個 lash line 㗎。OK， 咁當佢有少少黐嘅話咧，我哋就攞 lashes 出嚟。好緊張，接住。係好易甩嘅，太近，好，沒的。長度都夠啦。One more， 呢邊 successful， 但係第二邊好似乾緊啊。Okay, and I shouldn't feel them, so it's all right for now. stay 到點樣先？但係下次先試長啲啦，我玩得熟啲先啦。I'm actually doing it. Pretty cool so far. This is so crazy. 最後啦，呢個係。Just did that. Now what do? I have to check. But look at that. 我 我未夾，即係我未幫佢添咯。Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't even have to curl my lashes. I was worrying if I should have curled it first. But apparently, I don't. Okay, my mind is blown. This is so crazy. Oh my god. 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 Something. Anyway, I'm gonna find out what I do next. See you in a bit. I'm back. So I put on the wandoms. That's supposed to be it. So I think I'll do this. And then I have to at the spine. There you go, I'll sit for you. I don't know. I think that not fused better. Over the freaking top, and it took me literally what, 10 minutes, 15 maximum. I like that. 感觉好似要整個 bond， 最後一個步驟就係咁。I think I got the hard part down. I mean done. It's uneven, but I'll do better next time. Happy. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes, 30 or an hour. But I am still blown away by the results here. Not just the results actually, I think it's the ease of application. This is my very first time. But look at this. Anyway, crap. I just dropped it into a wet sink. So this is the bond or glass, they say. It's clear and has the brush head that looks like this. I'm gonna use the ball head and dab it to the spines so that it kind of helps with the bonding, I think. I think this eye sucks. I mean, I'll do better next time on this eye. So like this, like dab, 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 dab. Dab, 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 dab. This one's better. This eye's better. And it's my non-dominant hand eye, so, but this is like my very first side, so, right? So I have to give myself credit for that. Holy crap, guys. This is intensely crazy and amazing. Oh god, so nice. I'll put some makeup on tomorrow and show you guys how it looks. This was an incredible experience. Like, it was so easy. And do you see how natural it is? And I can remove it and put it on whenever I want. This is so amazing. Okay, Okay, I'll see you tomorrow with makeup on. So impressed. I'm so impressed. Anyway, good night. 你哋唔會相信係我自己整下先。My God, look at that！ 我淨係整咗個眉啦，遮咗眼圈啦，同埋整咗啲 blush 咯。好癲咯！ Hi, eyelash check at 5 p.m. now. And let's see. It still looks like it's bonded pretty nicely. So if I move it, it still stays, except this part was a little, oh, look at that. This part was a little shaky. That was the very first one I put on, I think. Yeah, but otherwise, it's kind of like looking okay still. I'm gonna take it off tonight, but I'll probably put it back on for the weekend. I give it, for now, I think, pretty high, like 8.5, 9, because it was super easy to put on, and it stayed. I tried on some clothes at the store, took off my pajamas, put on my sweater and shirt, and it still stayed on nicely. It's just this part, if I touch it. I love it. It's so good. I'm gonna try other styles later on, and other lash maps as they call it. But yeah, this is the one I'm doing right now, and it's okay. I do recommend it, you guys. Try it out. Okay, here we go. This has the oil-based cleansing fluid on it. Let's see how easily it comes off. Oh, there we go. That's one. It's not that hard to remove. I love that. And it doesn't hurt. I don't need to pull or anything. It just comes right off. The bond just dissolves. Okay, but then there's some like the black bondage thing that I need to make sure I wipe off too. Okay, one eyelash came off. That's what it looks like off. And this is all of them off. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in some alcohol. Will get cleaner and I can use them again. 我淨係加咗呢度眼外面角 outer corner 一少少 eyeliner, and then I'm done. Amazing Lashes solution. But like still easy peasy, no more mascara needed. See you. 出去食飯啦，慶祝姥姥2歲半生日。Yay! See ya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 bags full. Hello.
See you in the next one. Remember, do everything with love and gratitude. 怪咯，但係有啲咁直，係咪之後會冚到嘅咧？ Apply the pony by sticking in the comb to the base of the ponytail into your hair tie. 啊切！佢話 pro tip. See you next time, guys. 我中意呢隻色好似我自己啲 highlight， 幻唔幻想到？期待下次試俾大家睇。